And the race is on. Diamond Duchess, King Patrick alongside his senior Cricket. Moving up from the outside, so Gorgeous running in fifth. In the middle is Action Sailor. Then on the inside, rushing up Fair Heaven. Then comes Kai Aquino. Rushing up Wonder Pop for runners, fighting out for 8th, 9th, 10th position. Moving up from the outside, Scud Missile, the chosen one. Number 4, My Ray, second last. Yes, Joey is there. The trailer, Diamond Duchess by some 6 lengths, followed by Fairy Heaven. Senior Cricket racing in third by some 2 lengths. Action Sailor working towards the back. Diamond Duchess by some 6 lengths. Fair Heaven. Senior Cricket racing in third. Action Sailor. So Gorgeous is racing in fifth, running in sixth by Daryl K. Aquino. 7th position belongs to Scud Missile. Then moving up now is My Ray. Rounding the far turn, Diamond Duchess by some 3 lengths. Fair Heaven. Action Sailor rushing up, so Gorgeous, Senior Cricket, kay Aquino, My Ray, as the action swing towards the long, nice stretch run with Diamond Duchess. Fair Heaven done on the inside. Action Sailor rushing up from the outside. Kay Aquino done on the inside. So Gorgeous and My Ray. And nearing the finish line, Action Sailor is now the leader by some 4 lengths, followed by My Ray. And finally, number 5, Action Sailor. My Ray close for third, so Gorgeous, Fair Heaven. Diamond Duchess took fifth, and for your Super Sais, number 6, yes, Joey.